Hi everyone, this is a super short video to introduce you to the project that we're going to be using to learn about linear momentum. And we are going to do something that is part of a larger curriculum package for all of AP Physics 1. Not all of the units are great, which is why we're only going to do parts of some of them. But I happen to like this one, crash scene investigation. But if you see references to other units as we're going through the curriculum, you'll know what it's about. So we are going to become crash scene investigators. And so our driving question is, how can you prove what happened in a car crash? And it's mostly forces and linear momentum. So even though you guys are just beginning physics students, you will actually know enough by the end of this unit to be expert witnesses about crash scene investigations. So the challenge is that you are going to be looking at case files and to try to determine who is at fault in an accident, and you are going to create a poster as an expert witness that could be used in a legal proceeding. So, have you ever been involved in a car accident? If so, what happened? If you want to pause right now, if you've ever been in an accident, this will actually kind of help you understand the documents. So pause right now and discuss with the person next to you, what evidence was collected at the scene, what kind of questions did they ask you. Hopefully this has never happened to you, but if it has, pause and chat about it just a little bit. So you are asking, how can you prove what happened in an accident? And so this is kind of the path through it. First of all, there's a crash, and then evidence is gathered, and then this has already been done for you. What you are going to learn how to do is analyze the evidence and then present it in a way that would be understandable, like in a court of law. So the final task is you are going to put together a little case report presenting what you did, and then you're also going to create a poster presenting expert witness testimony. So your role is an accident investigator. You are going to work in teams of 2. So I've got a video that tells you exactly what it is that accident investigators do. So you will watch that video as part of your first assignment, and there are also questions to complete in your project to complete as you watch the video. I can't remember now. I think I might have given the sub paper copies of the project intro, but you should upload a digital copy. And you can watch the video with your table mate, but everyone needs to turn in their own digital copy of the introduction. So once you have done that, the project introduction, watch the video about what an accident investigator does, then you're going to go on to the second assignment. You should read through that assignment, but here it is in a nutshell. There are 7 different accident cases. There are 7 pairs of you in the class. So each table is going to get their own case. The sub has paper copies of the cases. And so each table will get 2 copies, 1 for each person. And there's also a paper project log. This you definitely have to turn in digital copies, but it that you've completed in Notability, but it sometimes helps to have a paper copy just to as a reference, because you're going to be using this information throughout the unit. So you have to turn in a digital copy, but you can just keep the paper copy in your files to take scratch notes on. The sub has paper copies of the table and the cases that you will need to complete this assignment. Today, the only thing you need to do for this second assignment is to complete the basic car information. And just a hint, remember to put all of the measurements in standard units, which is the metric system. And so there are 2 things that you're going to upload today: the project intro for the first assignment and the basic car info on your case. And if for some reason you were unable to finish, you must upload what you have done for the basic car info. So review your case files, and this is what you need to complete is just the first page that has the basic car information, vehicle 1, vehicle 2. You probably want to write down what case number you have, just because I will ask you what case are you, and you'll have it right there, makes and models, total mass, notice mass in kilograms, and then any vehicle destruction. So that's it.